Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Brand Registry, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Brand Registry, start by ensuring you have an active Amazon seller or vendor account. Visit the Amazon Brand Registry website. Click on the Get Started button. Sign in using your Amazon seller or vendor account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll need to provide your brand information. Enter your brand name exactly as it appears on your products or packaging. Next, provide your trademark information. Make sure you have a registered trademark for your brand. This trademark must be issued in the country where you're seeking registration. Fill in the details of the trademark, including the registration number. You will also need to provide the trademark office that issued it. Upload proof of your trademark registration. This could be a digital copy of your trademark registration document. Amazon may require you to provide images of your products. These images should clearly display your brand name on the product or packaging. Next, you'll be prompted to provide information about your product categories. Select the categories that best fit your products. This helps Amazon understand the nature of your brand. After filling in all necessary information, review your application. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. Submit your application for review. You may receive an email confirming your application submission. Wait for Amazon to review your application. This process can take a few days. If your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Once approved, you can access brand registry benefits. These benefits include enhanced brand protection and marketing tools. Familiarize yourself with the brand registry dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.